Chernobyl remains too dangerous for humans, but the wildlife has moved back in. On the 26th of April 1986, an explosion at the nuclear power plant in Ukraine has sent radiation across Europe and forced the evacuation of entire towns. 4 decades on, wolves and brown bears have returned to the vast no man's land.
Фактично для фахівця там в сфері охорони природи, екології, це таке маленьке чудо, тому що
Several dozen of Przewalski's horses, native to Mongolia and once on the brink of extinction, were introduced here in 1998 as an experiment. Around 130 of them now roam free.
Кінь Przewalskiego – це класно, тому що це останній дикий кінь на нашій планеті. І коли його тут бачиш, тварина, яка колись була володарем степів Євразії, це дійсно цікаво. Як фахівцю, так і естетично.
Despite persistent radiation, scientists have not recorded widespread die-offs. But some frogs have developed darker skin, and birds in higher radiation areas are more likely to develop cataracts.